that dog just say hi there?
Oh, yes.
Bruh!
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
Well,
My master made me this collar. He is a good and smart master, and he made me this collar so that I may talk. Squirrel! My master is good and smart.
it's not possible.
Oh, it is because my master is smart.
Cool. What do these do, boy?
You could have heard of the eagle. I use that collar. What Hashiwa Haneshima talk with. I would be happy if you stopped.
Russell, don't touch that. It could be